Welcome back everybody. Today we're going to learn an Afrikaans poem. Verkoue. Always remember when we recite a poem to speak slowly, speak clearly, and show emotions on your little face. Also change the tempo. In other words, speak slow when needed and speak faster when needed. Also, don't forget to enjoy the poem. Are you ready to learn a new poem? Let's go. Verkoue. My neus loop, my oë is rooi. Ek lê heeldag in die kooi. Ek hoes en hoes die hele dag, van die oggend tot laat nag. My koors is hoog en ek is naar. As ek eet, kom my kos nie klaar. My bene pyn, my keel is seer. My lyf pyn, my vel is teer. Langs my bed staan bottels medisyne. Ek wonder, is dit alles net myne? I really hope you enjoyed the poem. Ek hoop julle het regtig hierdie gediggie baie geniet. You were amazing. Thank you everybody for trying so hard and you did really well. Next time we will learn a brand new poem. Volgende keer gaan ons nog 'n nuwe gediggie leer. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time everybody, take care.